Language learners love idioms. I love learning Japanese idioms too. They're fun, and when you use idioms, you can feel like a native speaker. In this video, I will share 10 idioms from one of my more popular idiom blog posts. Idioms with rats and mice. Learn these fun idioms and start using them in your own English conversations. Keep watching. Poor as a church mouse. This means someone who is very poor. They don't have any money. I just used all my savings to pay off my credit card bill. I'm poor as a church mouse now. As quiet as a mouse. This means very quiet. I got home late on Wednesday, so I was quiet as a mouse when I got in. I didn't want to wake anyone. Shh. The best laid plans of mice and men. This is an interesting expression. It comes from a poem written by a famous Scottish poet named Robert Burns. A quote from one of his poems is, "The best laid plans of mice and men often go awry." We use this to express understanding when unfortunate or unlucky things affect someone's plans. They go awry. We often use a shortened version, the best laid plans of mice and men. I took 2 vacation days from work, bought some paint, and planned to remodel my bedroom last week. Then I caught the flu, and I had to stay in bed for 3 days. I prepared everything. What a waste. The best laid plans of mice and men. Play cat and mouse with someone. This idiom is used when someone, the cat, is using his or her position, power, or influence to control another person, the mouse, in a way that is unfair or abusive. Shelley knew that Peter liked her, but she was playing cat and mouse with his feelings. When the cat's away, the mice will play. This uses the same idea as the last idiom. The cat has power over the mouse, so when the cat is gone, the mouse is free to do what he likes. He is not worried about the cat.
My boss is on vacation this week, so I can go into work late.
I get it. When the cat's away, the mice will play. Mouse potato. This is a new idiom for me. A mouse potato is a person who spends too much time using a computer. Al spends 10 hours a day surfing the web. He used to be very active, but now he's such a mouse potato. This comes from the idiomatic expression couch potato. That means someone who spends too much time sitting on the couch watching TV. Rat race. This term is commonly used to mean an exhausting, repetitive lifestyle that has no time for relaxation or enjoyment. The novel is about a couple who get out of the rat race and buy a farm in France. Smell a rat. This idiom is used to show that you suspect someone of being dishonest, or you think that something dishonest is happening.
My husband has been working late recently, And he just hired a new young secretary. I'm starting to smell a rat.
Like a drowned rat. This idiom is used to describe someone who is very wet and looks uncomfortable. Come in out of the rain. You look like a drowned rat. Rugrat. Rugrat is an idiom that means child. It's usually playful and used with a child you know well. Rugrat can be singular or plural. Come on, Rugrats, it's time for bed. Visit the blog post that supports this video for more examples and 2 phrasal verbs that use the word rat. Plus, learn the difference between a mouse and a rat. It's a small point, but a big difference. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.